Hello everyone, myself Sujit Patil, lecturer Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad. Today we see about diuretics and antidiuretics. Let us see the classification and definition of diuretics. Diuretics is an agent which increases urine and solute. It may be classified as follows. High efficiency diuretics. The example is furosemide, azosemide, bumetanidine, pyritanidine, torsemide. Second is moderate efficiency diuretics. The example is thiazides, benzothiazides, chlorothiazide, hydrochlorothiazide, polythiazide. Thiazide related agent: chlorthalidone, clopamide, indapamide, metolazone, zipamide. Low efficiency diuretics: potassium sparing diuretics, trimetrin, amiloride, spirolactone, carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, acetazolamide, methazolamide, dorzolamide. Diuretics and classification: osmotic diuretics, mannitol urea glycerol, methyl laxanthin, theophylline. After that, newer agent, the example is vasopressin, antagonist, coniptan, tolvaptan, lixiroptan. High saline or loop diuretics. Loop diuretics act on the ascending limb of the loop of Henle. Furosemide is the most commonly used diuretics. It is a sulfonamide derivative. It is a powerful diuretics. Mechanism of action: furosemide acts by inhibiting NaCl, that is sodium chloride reabsorption, in the thick ascending limb of the Henle's loop. It blocks the sodium-potassium syntropter in the loop. It greatly increases the excretion of sodium and chlorine in the urine, as large amount of sodium chloride is absorbed in the segment diuretic. Response increases with dose and over treatment may cause dehydration, means loss of water. Phosphate. Pharmacokinetics. Furosemide is rapidly absorbed orally, highly bound to plasma proteins metabolized in the liver and excreted by kidneys. It acts in 2 to 5 minutes. Oral it takes 20 to 40 minutes. Bumetanidine. It is a sulfonamide like furosemide, but it is 40 times more potent than furosemide. Torsemide. It is longer acting and can be given once in a day. Ethacuronic acid. It is morely like to cause adverse effect, ototoxicity, and it is not commonly used. Chlorothiazide was the first thiazide to be synthesized. Mechanism of action of chlorothiazide. Thiazide act on early distal tubule. It have a moderate efficiency. 90% of filtered sodium is already reabsorbed before reaching the distal tubule. They also inhibit carbonic anhydrase activity and increase bicarbonate loss. It also enhances excretion of magnesium and potassium, but they inhibit urinary excretion of calcium and uric acid, resulting in hyperkalemia and hyperuricemia. Pharmacokinetics and adverse effect. Thiazides are well absorbed orally and are rapid acting. They are excreted by kidney. Hyperkalemia, hyperuricemia, hypotension, hyperglycemia, gastrointestinal tract disturbance, allergic reactions. These are the adverse effect or toxic effect of thiazides. Uses. It is used in hypertension. It is also used in congestive heart failure, also used in edema, renal stones, diabetes insipidus. Potassium sparing diuretics. Example of potassium sparing diuretics is spironolactone. It is an aldosterone antagonist. Osmotic diuretics. Mannitol is an osmotic diuretics given in intravenous. Orally it is not absorbed. It gets filtered by glomerulus but not reabsorbed. It causes water to be retained in proximal tubule and descending loop of Henle by osmotic effect resulting in water diuresis. There is also some loss of sodium. Uses of osmotic diuretics. To maintain urine volume and prevent oliguria, means decrease in urine output. To reduce ICP and IOP following head injury and glaucoma respectively.